Welcome. If you want to block an account from a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you're dealing with spam, harassment, or simply want a quieter inbox, these steps will help you take control of your messages quickly and easily. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand menu and click on Messages. This will take you to your inbox, where all your private conversations are stored. Find the chat with the account you want to block. Click to open that conversation. Inside the chat window, look towards the top right corner for the info icon. It usually looks like a small circle with an eye in the middle. Click on this icon to open the chat details and settings. Now, you'll see several options. Look for the button labeled Block Everything. This is the new feature that allows you to block the account from messaging, seeing your activity, and interacting with you in this chat. Click on Block Everything. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to block this account. Take a moment to review your choice, then click Confirm to finalize the process. That's it. The account is now blocked from this chat. They won't be able to send you messages, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your inbox is protected. Remember, blocking someone on X is a private action. The other person won't receive a notification, and you can always unblock them later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips on managing your X account and keeping your online experience safe and enjoyable.